Looking down Canal Street. Beautiful night outside. We're headed upriver. Go downtown or uptown? We headed up. Headed up Canal Street. There's a Palace Cafe across the street over there. The Sheraton Hotel right here, the Marriott across the street. Both pretty big for New Orleans. Getting dizzy looking up that high with the camera for sure. Take y'all on a little tour. Catch a little pedicab. Pedicabs are $1 a block. Pretty expensive, but if it's nice outside, you get a little, you know, breeze or whatever, and you can get a, sometimes they have a little bit of knowledge of the city. You just never know what you're gonna get. Who you're gonna get, I should say. The invitation? Wow, really? Nice. Way to run the red light, buddy. Nice, nice job. Used to be a big shopping area when my parents were kids. That was, you know, 40, 50 years ago, but now it's just pretty much hotels and stuff like that. Hotels and convenience store, shops, cigarette shop, basically. You know, like hangover remedy shops and stuff. Tulane versus Grambling, Saturday, September 2nd. Wow, see a lot of this. Too much New Orleans. Rubenstein's brothers. Kolb's, I think that's a German restaurant. Not sure. I think it is. So St. Charles Avenue this way, St. Charles Avenue, and on this side of Canal Street is called Royal Street. So the streets change names when you cross Canal Street, most of them. Like Carondelet turns into Bourbon Street, and St. Charles turns into Royal Street when you cross into the French Quarter. Yeah, just chilling. Nice little night for a little video. You always want to keep an eye out when walking alone. You just never know. Especially at night. In daytime you might be alright, but I wouldn't recommend this, doing what I'm doing, to any tourists or anything like that on a, you know, nighttime. Walking across Canal Street now. This is Bourbon Street. I guess I made the 10-second time limit. Crap. Anyway, you see a nice neon CVS and Walgreens is down there. Streetcar runs down the middle and emergency vehicles. That's not for public use. So streetcars, and we call them streetcars. Some places call them cable cars, and stuff like that. We call them streetcars here. They got a Walgreens here, and they got a Walgreens there. Which one's, you know, is too far to walk? This is the Crown Plaza Hotel here. So this would be the 100 block of Bourbon Street. The numbering system starts over when you cross Canal Street. They got all kind of construction going on right now, but the numbering system starts over, counts down to Canal Street, and once you cross Canal Street, it counts up. Yeah, you want to use the ATM there? Yeah, good luck with that. You don't want to have your wallet, you know, and access too many pickpockets down here. It's Redfish Grill. I heard they got pretty good food. I've never been. Bourbon House. This construction, it's only for the first block, but this construction's really got these businesses bad shape. Who wants to walk up in this, you know? Look at this. Who wants to walk up in this? It smells like, you know what? It smells like shit, piss. Nice and hot, without any breeze blowing through. Penthouse Club, a couple of strip clubs and stuff. I thought it was just the first block, but that sucks. Gallus Wires right here. I promise you it's gonna get a little bit better once we get through this construction. Hustler Club, they in bad shape with the construction going on. Kind of slow night. Slow night. What is it tonight? Monday night? I think it's Monday night. Yeah. Showgirls, showgirls, girls, girls, girls. Wait a minute. Tony Moran's Italian cuisine. This is the Royal Sonesta. Royal Sonesta Hotel here. Wow, I'd like to come down here for a vacation and have Bourbon Street closed off like this. This is ridiculous. What a great night for a video, huh? Of all the nights I picked, I mean, the last few months have been really bad, but yeah, I guess it's gonna be better. It's been probably 100 years since they ripped up the streets, but yeah, it's been probably 80, 100 years. It's the Royal Sonesta. Coffee house. Yeah, just need a coffee house. Need a coffee house in Bourbon Street. Yeah. Daiquiris. Get them to go. Get your little daiquiri to go. Life in the fast lane, everything. Oh. finally the construction ends. Let me get on the other side of the street. Oceana Grill, that's where radio talk shows held after the Saints football games. Used to be anyway, I don't know about it anymore. A lot of this, a lot of daiquiri shops and drink shops. Oh, alright. Oh, air conditioning feels good blowing in here. Get you a little pizza. Just another daiquiris and stuff. The streets close off at night, so people just walk in the streets fine during at night. Little police presence, always good. Say the real words. Fat cats. Chris Owens, the oldest. Gotta be the oldest entertainer. They call them entertainers, but gotta be the oldest in the city of New Orleans. Give you a little view of that. No nudity. It's just a, I don't know, I guess he sings and dances and stuff. So he's got to be 75 years old. At least, maybe 8, pushing 80. Trying to get you in a club. It's your lucky dog. Gotta have a lucky dog when you come down here. I don't know what makes them lucky, but they taste good when you're drunk, I guess. Tropical. No bicycles on Bourbon Street. Cop just told him, get up, walk the bikes. No, 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 he said. Huge ass bear. Pat O'Brien's courtyard. Cat's Meow is a popular place, karaoke place. See if I can get a little quick look in. Not exactly a place for kids. Uh-oh. Looks like your boy's getting a ticket for riding his oh, here, it's Touchdown Jesus. It's the back of the St. Louis Cathedral. That's just a shadow of the statue. Down at the end is a Bourbon pub in Oz. See the rainbow flags? It's a gay bar, of course. Both sides of the street. Either side of the street, I should say. On the left side is the Bourbon pub and Parade, they call it. And on the right side is a place called Oz. O-Z. All gay, of course. Plenty of Adam's apples going on down here. And I got shows, I forgot what they call it. You know, it's basically men dress up like women, doing entertainment shows, singing and dancing, mostly singing. Down here is now vehicular traffic is permitted past the I'd say 800 block of Bourbon. We're about 8 blocks from Canal Street now. You need to get out the street or else you're gonna get run over. It's not much more to see down this way, except they have I think it's the America's oldest standing bar or something like that. Oldest continually operating bar. It's called why can't I think of the name of it now? That's great. It's it's got like a walk-through kind of breezy place, through it. Stop. The place is supposed to have good food. It's called the Clover Grill. Or it's Nola po' Poydras right next door. Oh, the world's best. Only $6.49. Wow, you can get the world's best hamburger for $6.49. Yeah. But this place, I heard it has good food. I don't think I've ever found a parking place to get it, but Nola po' Poydras. The good thing is, they're either open 24 hours or open real late. I forgot which one it is. There it says on the fake pedicab. Yep, alright, well that's where we are, 900 block, Bourbon Street. We're almost at the end of the French Quarter, which will be Esplanade Avenue. And on the other side of Esplanade Avenue is a place called the Faubourg Marigny, or just the Marigny for short. And they have, that's really the place you want to be if you want to hear some jazz music and stuff like that, because on Frenchmen Street they have several clubs, one called the Spotted Cat, one called DBA, which is doing business as, it's just D period, B period, A period, DBA. Oh, this is the bar I was telling you about. It's the blacksmith shop. It's a really cool place. Lafitte's blacksmith shop is what the name of it. I was trying to think of it a minute ago. This is Lafitte's blacksmith shop. Pretty cool place. And on the fall and spring nights, the breeze really blows through. Pretty good. Built between 1722 and 1732. Toy was old. Anyway, this. I'll tell you the name of the corner. I'll tell you the corner of the street it is, but there's no signs. They took the sign down. It's around the 1000 block of Bourbon Street. Lafitte Hotel. It's some small little hotel. This is Bourbon Street at night, the residential part. Yeah, like I said, I wouldn't be down here alone if I were you. Unless you're packing or something. Not that it's dangerous, because it's relatively safe, being that it's in the French Quarter still. But you just never know. I wouldn't be down here alone if I were you. Got somebody, you know, a lot of residents been doing it all their life, you know, and they think nothing of it. Like, you know, you just gotta be careful and keep on walking most of the time, you know. That's a good rule of thumb, just to keep on walking. Don't stop to talk to anybody.
Jumping in and having some fun.
Couple guys making a couple bucks. Anyway, yeah, just a couple guys making a couple bucks, trying to make $1. Get them something to drink, probably. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. There's nothing more to see, really. I could keep the video going, but there's nothing to see but a couple of houses and a couple of bumper-to-bumper traffic. I know this is Governor Nichols Street. I believe the next street is Esplanade, or the one after that. Maybe Barracks after that, and then Esplanade Avenue. All right. Be sure to check out my next video on Frenchman